Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, service cover, and hard disk drive. Removal: disconnect the hard disk drive adapter cable from the hard disk drive. Remove the hard disk drive bracket from the hard disk drive. Place the hard disk drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the hard disk drive from the static dissipative bag and position the hard disk drive so that the side with the label is face down. Place the hard disk drive bracket onto the hard disk drive. Connect the hard disk drive adapter cable into the hard disk drive.